This is a 19th tutorial from Yanjan in JavaScript category. Hoisting in JavaScript. What is hoisting and how it is impacting our JavaScript flow? What we have to learn about the hoisting and few samples about the hoisting. Let's we discuss about those things. What is hoisting? Hoisting is a movement of variable declaration into top. It is not only the variable, it also moving the functions also. It won't the assignment statement. You get confused over of this statement. I will explain you using the now I am trying to access one variable that is not yet declared. Maybe I am declaring like aa.var. So we are getting the error aa.var is not defined. Okay, so again I am going to access ab.var, but after this line I am declaring this ab.var equal to 10. Okay, now the ab.var I am not getting the error, but it's not returning the value. Maybe I will check one more time. Now I am getting the value. Here I am declaring the value in second line, but I am trying to this way accessing the variable in first line, but I am not getting the exception like what we get previously. Meaning here we are getting aa.var is not defined, but here we are not getting the exception like that, but still we are getting undefined. If I am accessing again, I am getting the value. So this is what I explained in this slide. Hoisting is a concept of moving the declaration portion to top, even if it is a variable or a function. JavaScript having the logic, for example, you having the set of 10 functions. Maybe I will have a one more sample. Console.log sample called. I am declaring the function called sample. Before declaring itself, I am trying to call this function. Okay, sorry, I put an instead of semicolon I put colon here. Okay, now maybe I will change the name so that you won't get confused. Okay, I declared a newly declared sample2 and sample2 function. I am not getting any error, even though if I am trying to call the function before the declaration, I am getting the value expected. Okay, this is because of this hoisting so hoisting is a process JavaScript engine having it. Whenever we are declaring the function, it will move that function into top of the scope. Meaning, if not only the function, even though if you are declaring the variable, for example, I am declaring the variable a equal to 10, it won't move the exact same statement in top of that. It will move only this statement to the top of that. Meaning, it will move this var a semicolon. In wherever we are declared, that place only this assignment statement will happen. That's the reason here we are not getting the value, but we are getting as undefined. Because if this movement is happening, so we are not getting this error ab where is not defined, because it's already moved the declaration part, but we are not getting the value because assignment statement is not getting moved. In function aspect, the function don't having the any assignment statement, so the entire function itself getting moved to the particular scope. So we are not getting the any error, even though if before declaration we are calling this function. Okay, one thing we have to understand, it is not moving the variable to the top of the page, it is moving to the scope of the top of the scope. Meaning, if you are declaring the variable inside the function, it will move that variable top of the function inside the function, not outside the function. Like the way if you are moving declaring anything into the particular scope, it will move to the top of the particular scope. Okay, so because of this reason only, if we are using the function expression, I am declaring one function expression variable ab function. I am trying to access one function, that is ap func. Actually still not declared this, just I am checking that we are getting the error ap function is not defined. Now we are declaring the function expression called ap function. I hope you know about the function expression. If you not get aware of that, let you go through the previous video. I having the more detailed explanation over there. Okay, here I done. Before this functional expression, I am trying to call that function. Also this type of ab function. Also after this also we have, I am having this, but anyway it's let me have one try catch here. I hope this is the exception handling. If you know about the exception handling, it will be very simple. If not, please go through the previous videos. Why I am declaring the exception handle here, it will throw an exception because the function expression is like as a variable declaration and assigning the value. So this variable alone will move to the top, this assignment will not get moved. So in that case, if I am trying to call as a function before this assignment statement, it will throw an exception. It won't execute the next set of statement. That's the reason I am putting the exception handling only for this line. So now, sorry, in exception handling I made one, maybe I will change here ab2. In exception handling I will write this console.log exception, then only you will get more understanding. I am trying to call it here. Okay, maybe I will have one variable here. I will print this variable like it is describable after call. This is before call. ab2 ab func2 ab func2 ab func2. Before executing this, I will check this ab func2 is not there. Okay, it is not there, so we are getting the error. So I am doing the same. Now if you look into this first line of this code, throwing the exception, that is not ab function is not defined. It is throwing the exception of ab function is not a function. So it meaning it got declared. The second line type of function you can understand. Okay, the second line we are here, we are calling that here app function after call got executed. The second this is executed and it is telling it is a function. That's a reason comparing the functional expression, function having some additional benefits. For simple case alone you can go with the function expression. I hope you are clear on hoisting. The hoisting is a movement of the variable and the function to the top of the scope. It will move only the declaration part, not the assignment part.